This 1945 Smith Corona Sterling has been fully restored, has new rubber on the platen, and it is ready to type. This is a 1945 Smith Corona Sterling. It's been fully restored, has new rubber on the platen. The finish looks pretty good, but there are some marks on it. And the decal it looks pretty good, but it's a little faded there where it's on the Sterling. Key tops look pretty good. And this lower portion of the shell has been repainted. And I don't know if it shows up in the video or in the pictures, but because this has been repainted, it has a slightly different texture than the top, which was not repainted. It's not real noticeable, but if you look here, it's maybe a little shinier, or this has more texture to it. There's a scuff here on this corner. And the back has some scuffs on it too. And the decal here at the Corona is pretty faded. But overall, it looks pretty good and it types really well. This machine also comes with a reprinted user's manual and the original case, which is in fair to good condition. It has been cleaned and it is solid and it does latch well. But it does have a good bit of wear from 1945. It's got some marks on it, some bare spots on the corner. It's a wooden case, it's cloth covered. But it latches well and it'll protect the typewriter. It's for the 1945 Smith Corona Sterling.